Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi Redmi 10 from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this phone comes with 3.5mm headphones adapter. So let's quickly check it out. Unfortunately, we cannot find this stuff, because in this phone you can find jack 3.5mm input and the phone itself right here. So there is no additional external adapter that you can plug to the USB-C port. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.